Good afternoon, students. Today we are going to convert a decimal number into a PYQ form. This is very easy. So let's start. Initially, we have to assume this 1.62 bar as x. As it is bar, we have to write it multiple times, like 662, 62, and so on. This is the procedure, guys. And consider this as equation 1. Okay. The numbers which have bars will be written multiple times and will be considered this x value as equation number 1. Now you have to multiply both sides of equation 1 with 100. Why 100? Why we are multiplying both sides by only 100? Why we are not multiplying by 10,000, 10,000? Why like that? Because after the point there is two numbers. If there are two numbers, we have to take two zeros. If there are one number, we have to take one zero. If there are three numbers, we have to take three zeros. Okay, this is the procedure. Now let's multiply. X multiplied by 100 is equal to 1.62662 and so on is multiplied by 100. Both sides are multiplied by 100. Now x into 100, 100x. Whenever we are multiplying any decimal number with this any tens number, and the point will be moved to forward by two times, 1 and 2, and so on, 6 2 and so on. So this is the equation number 2. Okay, I think you are able to understand. Now next step is to subtract these two equations. Subtracting equation 2 with 1. We are subtracting equation 2 with 1. So let's write equation 1. This is the equation 1. Equation 2, 62.6262 and so on. Now next equation 1. What is equation 1? X is equal to, now how we are going to write? Below the point here, 1 here, and 6262. We should not write like 1 point here. There is, we should write point below the point. This is the procedure, this is the method, guys. Okay, let's subtract 100 minus x, 100x minus x. 100, we are, when we are subtracting 100x, 1x from 100x will be remained as 99x. Now 0, 2 minus 2 0, 6 minus 6 0, 2 minus 2 0, 6 minus 6 0, point 162 minus 1 will be 161. So point after point 0 start there, we are going to neglect this. So 99x is equal to 161. X is equals to 161 by 99. We are sending 99 there. Okay, we are sending 99 there. So this is the P by Q form of 1.62 bar is equal to 161 by 99. This is P, this is Q. You may get question. What is the P of this P by Q form? Then we have to give right value as 161. What is the Q value of this 1.62 bar? It will be 99. Okay, guys. Now let's discuss another question. According to me, this is enough to solve any other problem. Same procedure will be moved for this, but for the better understanding, I want to consider this example as important. Okay, guys. So here 1.127 bar. Now let's take, let x is equal to 3.12777 and so on. There is a bar on only 7, that's why we are taking 7 as multiple times. There is no bar at 1 2, so we are not taking that 1 2 as multiple times. Next, what is the next procedure? We have to multiply both sides by, multiply both sides. Here are, after a point, how many numbers are there? There are 3 numbers. So This is taken as equation 1. We have to multiply the equation 1 by 1000 times, as there are three numbers after the point. Now multiply x into 1000 is equal to 3.12777 and so on into 1000. Now x into 1000, 1000x is equal to, there is 1000 means 3 times you have to move point to right sides, 1 2 and 3, 3127.777 and so on. So this is considered as equation number 2. Now next step is subtraction. Subtracting equation 2 with 1. So let's write equation 2. 1000x is equal to 3127.777, and what is the equation 1? X is equal to, where is the point here? We are writing 3 here, 127 and so on, minus 1000x minus x, 999x is equal to 7 minus 7 0, 7 minus 2 5, 7 minus 1 6, point as it is, 7 minus 3 4, this is where it is, 312. Now send this triple line there, right as it is here. I think we are neglecting this 0. Okay, we are neglecting this 0. It is not required. I think whenever this multiplied number is sent to the right side, it will become denominator. So the value of 1.127 bar is equal to 3144.64 by 999. Everything is same. First of all, we have to consider this equation, it is as x, and multiply it is with 1000. It depends on the number of the numbers after the point. Now we are taking multiplication. After multiplication, it will be considered as equation number 2. Then we are subtracting these two equations and sending this value there, and what is the x value will be our answer, p by q form. So this is in p by q form. I think students, you are able to understand how to solve this question and convert the decimal into p by q form. Thank you for watching.